Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming authority, will, power of attorney, or court order, because you must be authorized to move assets. Once confirmed, collect a clear list of accounts, paperwork, passwords, and one certified death certificate. This speeds approvals. Then immediately contact the custodian or administrator and request the legacy transfer form plus the exact fee schedule. Make sure you note filing addresses and required attachments. This first action reduces back and forth and prevents delays later, so do it now and keep copies. Once you have forms, fill them out precisely. Exact names, social security or tax ID, and signatures that match legal documents because mismatches trigger rejections. Make sure to attach notarized affidavits, a certified death certificate, beneficiary designations, and any court orders. Photocopies can be rejected. Decide whether to move assets in kind, liquidate to cash, or request trustee or trustee transfer. Each has different timelines, tax effects, and fees, so pick the option that preserves value and meets obligations. You finish by confirming receipt and getting a transfer reference number. Once done, verify final balances, tax documents like Form 1099, and update your ledgers. Make sure all beneficiary and title changes reflect the legal documents and retain originals in a secure place. If something goes wrong, check common errors, name or signature mismatches, missing notarization, or wrong tax ID, and immediately ask the custodian for specific correction steps. Acting fast resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.